Hi everyone, this is Adam from ATL in partnership with iReal Pro, and we're the team that is partnered with them to help bring you your new landing page, your new website. We're excited that you're going to use this for your business and watching this demo video. This tutorial is considering that you've already got this loaded up to your web server, you've already got it connected to your domain. If you need help with that inside of your PDF installation document, you're going to be able to find our contact information, phone number, email, our website that you can connect with us to help you load it all up and customize it for you in case this is sort of outside of your realm or you just don't have time to do it. But this tutorial is considering it's already loaded, and we're showing you how to quickly customize it. So you can see I currently have this on our ATLKY demo server. You can see it's a beautiful one-page scroller. It gives your potential customers information about what you offer, and so we've made it very easy to update the valid pieces of content without making you have to update the things that are kind of static for everybody. So if you'll see this is on our web server, but to get into the back end to begin to customize, you're going to go up here to your browser bar, and you're going to type in whatever your domain name is. And then right after it, you're going to type in wp-admin. You're going to hit enter. And then inside of that PDF installation document, you're going to find the username and password for the site. That's going to bring you to a dashboard that looks like this. So a quick overview of the dashboard. These things in the middle are sort of basic WordPress CMS kinds of things. And then on the left are the tabs that you're going to need to know about. We have hidden some tabs on here that are not really relevant to the website and just kind of make things more confusing, so we can streamline them. So the most important tabs are the contact forms, which is where your customers are going to request information about getting multiple offers on their home. And you can see, you're going to be able to see the form, edit who the mail goes to, and then see the form submissions. You're going to see the users area, which is where you're going to be going to change your password and potentially add other website users. The settings area, which you will go to configure sort of the title of your website, what shows up here in the top bar. It's going to be under settings. And then finally, one of the most important areas is the theme settings, which will allow you to edit your website. So let me start down here. You're going to log into your website, and you're going to see that we've made it really easy to see the different things that you can edit on your website, from the logo to the contact settings, which includes social and digital and phone number, to editing the information under the section that's titled "Does my property qualify?" We know that you all live in different states and places in the world, and so you should be able to edit any of this information right here, as well as being able to update the footer text to be relevant to your business. So the great thing is these take less than 5 minutes to update, and once you update them here, hit save, they're going to be reflected on the live website. So let me show you an example of that. So let's say you wanted to change your logo, obviously from your static default your logo here. You would click choose file. It's going to pop open your file manager. And then you can scroll down and find your photo, or go to whatever folder your logo's in. You see it's now there, so when I hit save, it'll pop there. So I could come down here and say, no, we started in 1960, and then you can obviously change where you live and where your business is at. You could change anything in there. Change the footer text. What's your business address, and do you have a privacy policy or anything like that? You can edit all this here and hit Save Changes, and you're going to see this is going to refresh. You now see the logo has changed. Now we can go to the front part of the website, and you can see that logo has now changed. So imagine your logo there. We've changed this from 1970 to 1960. And so those are the two changes we made. So you see how quick it reflects on your website. So we've done this for ease because we know that you're busy in your business, and so we wanted to make sure it was as quick as possible. Again, we are happy to do all of this for you here at ATL, as we're partnered with iReal Pro, And again, you can find our contact information, ways to get connected with us in that PDF document that is included. Okay, so let me roll up to the forms, to the form management area. If you know on the website, you've got two places for your intake form. You've got at the top intake form here, and then you've got a get multiple offers form. These both show the exact same form, but they allow your customers to input data. So I'm just going to put in my address here, and then hit get started. It's going to let me either drag and drop files or choose a file. So I'm just going to choose, any file here. I'll just go get the that same logo. There it is. Hit the next button. Your customers can put in preferred appointment date, preferred appointment time. Hit next there. Fill out just some basic information about themselves. All right, and hit submit. And your message is gonna pop up right there. And two things are going to happen. Number one, you're going to get an email with this form submission. Oh, looks like I accidentally logged out. And the second thing is that it's going to populate under form submissions right here. You can now see under the Get Offers form, I've got 3 submissions. And there you go. Now you can click into this submission. You can see who submitted it, what time they submitted it, the dates, telephone number, email, also see the files that they uploaded of their home right inside of the form submissions. So that's essentially it in terms of the contact forms. You will want to, when you come in here for the first time, you want to come to the top level, come to the Get Offers form. You click on Contact Forms and then Get Offers. And you will want to change 2 things. You'll want to come over here to Mail, and you'll want to change the to address. That's where the form submissions will actually go. You'll also want to change this from address to some email from your domain. Like I say in the installation document, this does not have to be a real email. It just needs to be something at your domain name. So it could be contact at your domain name or submissions at your domain name. All this is doing is just allowing for spam filters not to catch the email when it comes through. It's going to come from the from name, and it's actually being sent from the WordPress mailer here. So again, you'll want to change this to your email, and you'll want to change this email right here to some email, whether it's real or made up, that is connected to your domain name. All right, so you'll easily hit save there, and your forms will be updated, and your form will be updated in terms of where it's sent. There's 2 more things I want to show you. Obviously, everybody has the same password, username and password, so we'd really encourage you to come into Users and change your password. So you'll click on Users, click on the admin user, and come down here and hit Generate New Password. You can use the one that they generate, or you can come up with your own. You can also, under the Add Users, add a new user if you would like, who would want to log in to the website. All right, and then the final thing I want to show you is under Settings. You want to come into Settings and go to General. And then this is where you're going to rename your site. Your site's going to come labeled iReal Estate Pro with the Get Multiple Offers on Your Home Quickly. Your address should change when you install it or whoever installs it. And then you're going to have sort of the admin email. So you would want to come in here and go ahead and edit all of these items, the site title, the tagline. These will already be changed. Be very careful if you touch anything here, it could break your site. And then the email address, that's the admin. And then you'll hit save. And then those things will update across your site. Again, these are just a few of the options to be able to edit your theme. They're the most important ones to get you going. If there's any other plugins that you want to install, such as Google Analytics, such as any kind of special SEO plugins, ATL would be happy to partner with you to get those loaded up and working on your site. Again, you can find our contact information in that PDF installation document, or you can drop us an email at support@atlky.com, and we would be happy to help you. So we hope this has been helpful just to sort of get a quick tutorial of the back end of your new website, and we look forward to chatting with you really soon.